Huwag na huwag kang makakalimot kay Lord. Dumating man yung mga panahon na successful ka na, through ups and downs, always remember na si God yung andyan para sa'yo. He was with you noong panahong wala ka ng ibang malapitan. Always go back to God and be grateful. Naniniwala pa rin akong hard work pays off. Magpatuloy ka lang magsipag sa buhay, sa mabuting paraan at patas, and God will reward you with what you deserve. Soon, hindi lang pangarap lahat. In His will, you will make it. Surrender all your worries to Him. If you're reading this with a heavy heart, God wants to tell you that He is always willing to listen. Lumapit ka lang sa Kanya and let go of everything. Alam niyang kailangan mo siya at andyan lang siya para sa'yo. God says, trust me, everything happens for a reason. Kaya magtiwala ka sa Kanya. Kung ano man yung sitwasyon na meron ka ngayon, may dahilan yan.